No bullshit, no stuff. Let's get right in the video. Looking to get YouTube Vanced. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna search up YouTube Vanced. So that's just understandable. You're gonna be like, do I pick APK Pro or do I pick vanced.com? It's literally the first one. I mean, it's not hard. Then you're going to download the Vanced Manager. I already have it. So, yeah. Once you have it, we switch to that. Now, you're gonna look at something similar to this. For me, I'm gonna install YouTube Vanced. And, yeah. It doesn't really matter what you do that much. So you basically just download it like usual, and then once you're on the app, it's gonna be like a bit weird. So let me switch to the app now. Now what you see right here is gonna be similar to what you're gonna do right now. You're gonna be like, how do I sign in? Do I use Google? What do I do? So you're gonna click sign in right now, and then I already have an account on it, so I'm just gonna go to my main account. But for what you guys see, you'd press add account, and then you'd see Vanced Micro Google, and then you'd use sign in. You log in with your regular Google account, and it's gonna be similar or usual to the same thing as usual. And if you're on Huawei, then use the other Huawei option as mentioned earlier. So that's it for the tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're thinking about switching from regular YouTube to YouTube Vanced, I'd recommend it. There's a lot of benefits to it. You can get essentially the same thing as YouTube Premium, and you can get ad-free experience, as well as other benefits as editing your channel right inside of your app. So I think that's the main reason why most people do it. Anyways, that's it for like the last post commentary part. Goodbye.